Look, where are Chris? There, Chris.
There.
Chris, look at here.
It's my... What?
Ayan guys, we're here in the bridal waterfalls.
And here's a really nice bride's veil here. Big.
See all the white flowers here. It comes every spring season. So, and this is a really good time to us to visit here. You can see the beautiful.
You're going to propose to me now?
What? See here, guys. If you want to do a pictorial for like nuptial pictorial, this place is really good. I recommend this place.
Yes.
Have waterfalls and these flowers, really beautiful. It's a perfect for pictorials. Wedding pictorials, anniversary pictorials, any pictorials, as long as pictorials.
Ask the question for your girlfriend. You go down
Engagement.
Engagement, you go down on it.
And there, it's the waterfalls.
Then the myth, if you have fun here, you will be pregnant. I just made that one up. Sorry.
Just bring a picnic blanket.
Yeah. No. Oh God, it's so nice here.
Oh.
See, they did it many times. They have both dogs and children. 3 children.
So, see the beauty of our place, but we're living here.
Yeah, we're
this
living
area.
This beautiful, but it's only 30 minutes away.
Yeah, it's not so far anyway.
So we are taking a clean
Yes, and of course you can do picnic here.
Yes.
If you want to do barbecue, there's a barbecue. Two barbecue plots here. It's really good for family picnic. If you like dating, this is really good dating area.
Here you score good. Here you score
Just
big.
yeah. Say it again.
Huh?
Say
Yeah, if you bring your girl here, you will score big. Promise me. What do you say? We are going to score big?
Not here, this area.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I was wrong.
They were just having fun here, guys.
That. Very. Oh, exercise. Exercise.
It's a pizza time. We go home and eat pizza.
Yes.
It sounds good.
Sounds good. She's so happy, so she will eat pizza. Oh my God! You see, I told you I would score good. I get the pizza. Oh my God, that doesn't happen often.
Okay, guys.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, and see you our next funny vlog.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.